You may have never heard of this before, because in my entire life, I've never heard of this termed this way. I came up with this last night, sitting on my couch in my bedroom. Goal selling. You got to sell people on goals that they don't even know they have. They don't have these goals yet. When people think about goal setting, sometimes their eyes glaze over, and people are like, oh, it'll happen. Whatever happens, happens. That's how most people live. Whatever happens, happens. I'm going to try. I want to work. We'll see what happens. You got to sell people on having goals. Once they're sold on the goals, now you help them set the goals. And you guys know about proper goal setting, the components of that. They need to be specific. They need to be written. They need to be worthwhile, meaning if and when they hit them, that it makes a big difference in their life. Some people set goals, they hit them, and it doesn't even matter. They're like, then that was not a good goal. That goal was too low. It was too unimportant. So they've got to be specific. They've got to be written. They have to be worthwhile. They have to have a timeline attached. For example, November, and not just November. I talked with some of our leaders that were at Faith Over Fear this weekend that the goals should not be November 30th. The goals should be like November 20th. Because if you talk to people about goals that are November 30 goals, they're going to think they got 30 days when they don't, because a lot of